Hello everyone. Let's dive into the QXUEN 8-port HDMI KVM switch. This device is designed for those who juggle multiple computers and need a streamlined setup. Right out of the box, it's clear this KVM switch is built for functionality. It supports up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, ensuring a crisp and clear display, which is crucial for detail-oriented tasks or gaming. One of the standout features is the variety of control options. You can switch between computers using the front panel buttons, an IR remote, RS-232 serial commands, TCP/IP commands, keyboard shortcuts, mouse gestures, and even an auto-scan function with adjustable time intervals. This flexibility is a huge plus, allowing you to customize your workflow. The inclusion of a standard USB 2.0 hub port is another great addition. This allows you to connect peripherals like scanners, USB drives, 3D printers, or even surveillance cameras, making it a central hub for all your devices. Setting up the KVM switch is straightforward. It's plug-and-play, so no software installation is required. The hot plug feature is also convenient, allowing you to add or remove devices without powering down the switch or connected devices. This is a time saver for those who frequently change their setup. The XUEN KVM switch also comes with an on-screen display, OSD, which makes navigating and selecting connected computers a breeze. The build quality seems solid, and the black color gives it a professional look that fits well in any workspace. Overall, the QXUEN 8-port HDMI KVM switch offers a comprehensive solution for managing multiple computers. Its versatile control options, 4K support, USB hub, and easy setup make it a valuable tool for multitasking professionals and gamers alike. If you're looking to declutter your desk and streamline your workflow, this KVM switch is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.